Tonight was a great show. All the contestants performed extremely well. And I want to congratulate Candy Isaacs. You know, there were 6 women in this year's competition. And 3 women took the top prizes. So I'm really impressed. The men did well too, but the women took it all. And I really want to congratulate them. All the songs were good songs. I'm hoping that this set of songs, like the others in the past, the album will be considered for the shortlist on the Grammy. And if it is considered, then that too will be a great achievement.